Hello friends, it's Candy from the Candy Foot Club, and I wanted to show you a few things that I am using this fall from Pampered Chef. I love to do fall cleaning. I know everybody does spring cleaning, but I like that school's starting back, routine is starting back, and I want to have everything nice and clean to get a start. Do you do just spring cleaning, or do you do fall cleaning like I do? Let me know in the comments. So I got this kitchen squeegee tool. I love this. You can hold it like this, get a good grip on it, scrape things off from your pans or off from the counter. There's a soft side, you see that rubbery side, and there's a hard side, and then there's a brush. What do you think? I love it. And my all-time favorite scrapers right here. They look small, but they do wonders. I have given these to my adult children as gifts, and even my in-laws love them. Even my sons-in-law really love these scrapers. They are the best. Let's see. I got this mini, tabletop vacuum cleaner. It just picks up all the crumbs off from the table. I told my father he could use this when he's cooking his toast and making a mess. And it comes with a little pouch with, it even has little attachments to it. Isn't that adorable? I used it to clean out our sock drawer and different things like that. You know how you usually have to take the drawers out and dump them and everything? Just stick this little vacuum cleaner in it. I have all kinds of brushes. These nice little brushes. They have the end where you can get into all those little crevices and everything, and these work great. I have a whole bunch of them, so I can use some in the bathroom, some in the kitchen, or wherever I need it. Love those. And then I have these cloths, the microfiber cloth, dishcloth, and on this side, it's a scrubber. So you get 2 in 1. Got those. And then I have a bunch of those, and I have this really soft dish towel, really absorbent. I really like that. And then finally I have this, I don't know if you can see it, I lay it out over the sink and can dry the dishes on it. It has little things that you can put on the end, put your silverware in, or you can just use it as a trivet and lay it out on your counter and put your hot stuff on it. So those are a few things that I'm going to be using to do my fall cleaning. Let me know what you're going to be doing. This is Candy with the Candy Foot Club.